Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find your card details, the expiration date, CVV and also your card PIN on the Revolut application. So that being said, let me open the Revolut app now, and I will have to open my PIN really quick. Okay, here it is. Now to find all these details from your card, this is the homepage of the Revolut application. We have to press on this icon from the top right. And now down here you locate all your cards which you have. Let's press on this because this is my actual card. You have to press on your card. Now to find the card details, like the expiration date, CVV and the card number, you'll have to press on show details right here, and now they will become visible on your card and you can copy them and paste them wherever you want to buy stuff online. Now this won't show your card PIN. If you want to find out your card PIN, you'll have to press right here on settings. Okay, and now once this menu will pop up, let's scroll down until you'll find PIN, view PIN. Let's press on PIN and this will show your card PIN. Now that's how to find your card number on Revolut, how to find your expiration date on Revolut, how to find your CVV on Revolut, and how to find your PIN on Revolut application. That being said, thanks a lot for watching and bye bye.